In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and reorder labels in Trello. First, go to Atlassian and make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your Trello workspace without any issues. Once you're in, open the board where you want to update your labels. Labels are managed at the board level, so any changes you make here will apply across that board, not just to one single card. Next, click on any card to open it. It doesn't matter which card you choose because you're just using it as a starting point to get into the label settings. Inside the card window, click Labels. This opens the label options for that board and gives you access to the labels currently available. From there, click Edit Labels. Now you'll see the full list of labels for the board. Click the label you want to customize. Once it opens, change the name to whatever makes the most sense for your workflow. Clear, descriptive names are usually best, especially if multiple people use the same board, because they make it much easier to understand the purpose of each label at a glance. After updating the name, select a new color if you want to make the label more visually distinct. Color can help you quickly identify priorities, categories, teams, or stages in a process, so it's worth choosing something that fits how you organize your work. When you're happy with the changes, click Save to apply them. Now, if you also want to reorder your labels, go back to the Labels list and drag the labels into the order you prefer. This is useful if you want your most important or most frequently used labels to appear first. A consistent label order can make your board feel cleaner and help speed up card organization. Once you've finished customizing and reordering everything, close the Labels menu. Then open another card on the same board and check the Labels section again. This lets you verify that the updated label names, colors, and order are showing correctly across the board. At this point, your labels should be customized exactly how you want them and arranged in the order that works best for you. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick tip before you go: if you work with a team, try to keep label naming simple and consistent so everyone understands them the same way. That small bit of organization can save a lot of time later. And that's it. You've successfully updated and reordered labels in Trello. Congratulations!